microwave and coffee machine without it waking them up. As I've been calling them, have made it to day 6 of their life. And 5 to day 7 of their life. They're still very dependent on mum and dad for bringing them food, keeping them warm at night, and paying for their data usage. Their vision is improving, and they look like they're doing well. However, it's still going to be paying for their data usage, but their vision is improving their life. They look like they're doing well. However, it's still...
Pussy!
Drinks in present, they're 10 days old. Just like when I was a kid, they're celebrating their 10th birthday by having mum form and partially chewed insects and nectar into the back of their mouth. Mum and Dad try to think of a way to use the microwave and coffee machine without waking them up. However, they're still
read the comments.
They're still very dependent on mum and dad for bringing them food, keeping them warm at night, and paying for their data usage, but their vision is improving and they look like they're doing well. However, it's still... Their vision is improving and they look like they're doing well. However, it's still going to be some, and now 10 days old. Just like when I was a kid, they're celebrating their 10th birthday by having mum form and partially chewed insects and nectar into the back of their mouth.